Hi, my name is Angel from Wolfeye.de. So welcome to the next video. Um, Sometimes you need to see what is happening on your company's computers, but without interrupting your team, your employees. And in this video, I want to show you how to watch employee screens secretly using Wolfeye Remote Screen. Wolfeye runs quietly in the background, so employees won't see any notification or pop-ups. So let's open the dashboard. This is the dashboard. This is the demo dashboard, by the way. In the demo version, the password is displayed just that you know how it works. Of course, your password will be set by yourself and it will not be displayed, of course. This is just a demo version so that you could also visit this website because you can monitor multiple computers with Wolfeye Remote Screen, seeing the live screen and also making screenshot histories from any browser. So with any remote computer or with your smartphone. That's why we have this this demo dashboard, so you could try it if you wanted. So this works like this. Wolfeye Remote Screen, you install it on each of your companies or each of your employees' computer. And I will show you how fast you install it. But what you get is this dashboard, basically. You enter your email, log into your dashboard, and in this example, Wolfeye has been installed on 5 computers. So you see 5 live screens. What you see is live screen for this computer, demo 1 computer, for demo 2 computer, for demo 3 computer, for demo 4 and demo 5 computer. Yeah. You now here only see a picture because this is the demo dashboard. In reality, what you will see will be the live computer screen of these particular computers. Yeah. And live screen means it's a screenshot updated every 2 to 3 seconds, basically. And that's how you will be able to monitor everything that happens on that computer. Yeah. You can, if you wanted, change the design by doing only 2 columns. Doing that enables you to see bigger screens, or 3 columns so that you have an overview of more computers at the same screen at the same time. Also, if you wanted to take a closer look, for example, at this computer, you right mouse click where you read live and open in a new tab, and then that particular live computer screen opens. Yeah. And finally, if you wanted to enable a screenshot history so that you can check after a day or 2 or 3 to see what has been done, then you right mouse click on history, for example, here for this computer, open in a new tab, and you get a screenshot history. This is the demo, of course, but a screenshot history, every 5 minutes a screenshot is made, or every 10 minutes or every 1 minute you set the interval. This is what you will get if you install Wolfeye Remote Screen on each of your company's computer. And the employees will know nothing about the surveillance. They will not be they will not notice anything because it runs in the background. Yeah. So what can you do to to try Wolfeye Remote Screen out? Well, you come to our website wolfeye.de. Wolfeye.de. This is the website. Everything what you can do with Wolfeye you can read here, and you can hit on start a free trial. You hit start a free trial, and you can book a demo session. Basically, you select a date. You will be able to do it the same day. Select the date, select the time, for example. Enter your name, your email, your phone number for WhatsApp, because probably I will call you on WhatsApp, and you book and maybe how many computers you want to monitor, maybe, and we can book a Google Meet session. The Google Meet session is so that one of us can share the screen. Yeah, Google Meet allows you to share a screen, and the other part can take a look, can watch the screen. Yeah, that's why Google Meet. But we will be talking on WhatsApp probably. Okay, so we will talk on WhatsApp. So you can also call me or write me on WhatsApp. Maybe you write me a message first, yeah. And that's it. Here are the contact informations here, the WhatsApp number and the email. And that's it. What will happen on that demo session. The first thing is I will make a quick demo of Wolfeye by installing Wolfeye on my computer. It's already installed, and giving you the access to my dashboard. The dashboard I showed you, but my dashboard. So you will see in action, so to speak, you will see my live screen. Yeah, maybe we will talk on WhatsApp and you will see what we write in live so that you know exactly how it works. And secondly, what you will see is if you wanted to try it out, you can install it on your computer. I send you the download link and I guide you through the installation process on one of your computers, or if you want it on two, or if you want it on all. But for example, on one computer, and this will enable you to quickly set up Wolfeye Remote Screen on your remaining computers. You can then do it by yourself. Yeah? Basically, you could also do it by yourself if I gave you it, because it's very easy. You will see it. I demonstrate it here. So it will only take a few moments. After you install it, you get this dashboard, your own dashboard, so to speak, where you see all the live computer screens on your dashboard for your computers that you installed Wolfeye on. So that's how it works. So how long will this demo session take? Maybe 10 minutes, maybe 15, because the installation of Wolfeye is very, very fast. I already told you, I sent you the download link to Wolfeye, and what you download is the setup file of Wolfeye. Yeah, you see it here in my download folder. Yeah, so I send you the link, you download it, and you double click it, and this setup window appears. You hit install, and it installs, and then you hit finish, and it finishes. It opens Wolfeye Remote Screen. It's called a kernel because it will hide from Task Manager. It will be difficult to find the process in Task Manager. It hides itself. So when this opens, the only thing you already, so to speak, install it. You only need to run it. To run it, you hit two buttons. The first one is the green one that says Share Screen. You hit it, and that enables the screen sharing. And the second one is the stealth mode button. You hit it and it goes into stealth mode. From this moment, Wolfeye is, so to speak, is monitoring or your screen. You will see the live screen on your dashboard, and Wolfeye will remain in background, will remain stealth, will remain hidden, and will also run when Windows is restarted, but in hidden mode, stealth mode, so to speak. And that's it. Very easy. So please come to the website wolfeye.de, book a demo session. I will be very happy to get to know you, and see you in the next video.